The NHS Model for Improvement and PDSA cycles. The NHS Model for Improvement is a simple framework used to help teams focus on making meaningful changes and improving healthcare processes. It's based on 3 key questions. What are we trying to achieve? Define your goal clearly. How will we know that a change is an improvement? Use data to measure success. And what changes can we make that will result in an improvement? At the heart of this approach is the PDSA cycles, which stands for Plan, Do, Study and Act. Let's break down the PDSA cycle step by step. Plan. Identify an improvement opportunity and develop a clear plan of action. Define the objectives, predict outcomes, and plan how to measure success. Do. Implement the plan on a small scale. This step is all about testing your idea in a controlled setting to see if it worked as expected. Study. Analyze the results of your test, compare the outcomes against your predictions, and gather feedback to understand what worked and what didn't. Act. Based on the insights gained, make informed decisions. If the test was successful, consider adopting. If not, consider adapting or aborting the plan and begin the cycle again. The benefits of a PDSA cycle are numerous. It provides a structured yet flexible method for continuous improvement. Let's look at an example of the NHS Model for Improvement and the PDSA cycle. Imagine a hospital aiming to reduce patient wait times in the emergency department. First, they must define their goal. For example, reduce A&E wait times by 20% in 3 months. Then they must decide how to track their progress. For them, this will be measuring wait times before and after changes are made. Next, they implement a PDSA cycle. In the plan stage, the team identifies the main cause of delays and develops a plan to streamline patient triage. Moving to the do phase, they pilot a new triage protocol in one section of the department. During the study phase, data is collected on wait times and patient satisfaction, which reveals improvement as well as areas needing further refinement. Finally, in the act stage, the team adjusts the protocol based on their findings and gradually implements the changes across the entire department, reducing wait times and improving overall patient experience. By planning carefully, testing ideas, studying outcomes, and acting on insights, you can enhance patient care and create lasting improvements. Don't forget these top tips for successfully using the NHS Model for Improvement. Engage your team. Involve everyone from frontline staff to management in the process. Start small. Test change on a small scale first. Be data-driven. Use measurable data to evaluate the success of your tests. Foster a culture of continuous improvement. Encourage open communication and regular feedback. Document and share learning. Keep a record of what works and what doesn't. Sharing these insights will help build knowledge for future improvements. Be sure to check out our other bite-sized videos where we deep dive into various tools and techniques within each stage that will help you lead successful improvement projects.